Hi guys, here I am back with my thing of Yoga Bay. Today we're going to be doing just a quick stretching. So today I'm just going to lay my mat out right now, just do a quick stretch as you guys can see me doing now. Just a quick stretch in the forward on both of my legs just to get my body exuded and my blood going. So we're just going to do a few stretching as you can see, and me doing a few breathings of in and out. I like to do these forms because it really helps you in the morning time and just helps you with your ability to just advance more in yoga. I'm a beginner in yoga, so let's get started, guys. What I like to do is I like to lay my mat out, lay back, and just do a couple rollovers just to help my back, just to help me a little bit. I'm going to turn to my right side, do a few breathing. Again, just to help me get equipped with the morning. Then we're going to do it to the other side as well. Just a quick breather. A quick breather in and out. I like to prostrate my muscles in and out and go up and down as far as breathing when it comes to my yoga, because I like to really work on my core. So we're just going to do a few stretches in the hips and in the buttocks. This also makes your butt really nice and tight and firm. So we'll do a few of those as well. I like to do quick leg stretches going up. This is going to start to help me with my balance and when I start doing those really good kick-ups for my yoga videos. So this is just helping me even if I get halfway up or even if I just stretch my leg up as far as it goes. It's going to also help me in the future. I like to bend and stretch my entire back, my full muscles. I'm going to put both of my fingers with my toes, and we're just going to stretch out just a little bit just to help with my back. I like to do a great position of just posing up and just helping my back a lot because I have a lot of tension in my back right now. Start swaying my hips from side to side. What this does, it just helps me get into form, helps my body loosen up and not be so stiff. It's we're in the morning time, so I try to do that as much as possible. I'm going to do some side planks now, going up, down, just for a few. This is just to help me with my core and in my balance. To the other side. And again, guys, this is just helping me with my core and my balance. Doesn't have to be perfect. You're just doing it, and this is just for my beginning yogis, my beginning yogis. Just do a few stretching and a few breathing. You always want to breathe when you're stretching, guys. You don't ever want to hold your breath in. You want to breathe in and out to circulate your blood in your body. Stretching my back legs really help me because, again, in the near future, this is going to help. In the near future, this is actually going to help me a lot. So I'm going to just finish stretching as much as possible. Again, guys, I'm a beginning yogi, so I just been stretching a lot and maintaining my breathing is what you see me doing now in the video. Breathing in and out helps me a lot with just my muscles, my core, and it helps with my anxiety a lot. So that's what you see me doing here now, guys, just taking a breather in and out as much as possible. I'm gonna do a few positions where I am posing just to keep my balance a little bit. I do this to help me with my balance, to help me with my leg balance, with my toe balance, and with my feet. I tend to sometimes get flat-footed, and that really messes me up as far as tripping. So that's just gonna help me stretch as far and as much as possible. And again, guys, this is for beginners. Don't do anything that's gonna hurt you. Don't do anything that's, not going to be relative to your body. Do as much stretching as possible, and that will help you a lot. Breathing in and out, as you can see me doing here in the video. Just taking a few breaths. Resting my legs down and my hips. I'm going to do a few more of stretches. I like to do this stretch just to help me with my core, and it also helps me with breaking my inner legs, my inner thighs, so that I can stretch a little bit more and that I can expand it and go a little bit farther in my stretches. Just take a few breathers. Go to the right, just do a few stretches and a few